Hello everyone and welcome to this first video tutorial for Sure. For those of you who still don't know Sure, do not work with Sure, just to tell you that Sure is an application developed for technical supervisors to do their everyday job in construction supervision. So if you want to learn and to understand how Sure works, please stay with us through all these videos that we are creating, and I'm sure you will have a pretty good idea on how Sure works and how it will work. First, let's go to the web page, to the main web page to see what it is. You can go to Google, just put this Sure on it, and it should be here. It is the first result in Google, and we can go down and go through the web page, and you can read about it. It's a pretty basic information, just basically for marketing. But let's go over it a little bit. Let me highlight the main features that were created for Sure. Basically, you can do with Sure everything that you do on your everyday job. That means you can receive documents, you can file them, you can create a workflow for approving documents, you can check the construction budget, see how they are evolving, see how they change, add variation orders, approve variation, cancel variations, link those to the interim payment certificates later on when they come from the contractor, upload pictures, prepare the approvals for all the reports, and important, you can do the reports directly from Sure. I mean, with Sure, preparing your daily report is very easy, very fast. And so does all the other reports and all the other needs that you will have for monitor your construction. One thing that has to be highlighted, Sure is a web application. That means you don't have to download any software. Everything is on the web, everything's on the cloud. It has several backup systems installed. So the database with the documents and the database with all the information is regularly back up somewhere else. There is also a mobile application that you can download it and use it. Unfortunately, we only have it for Android system at this moment, but we are working hard to put it into Apple. And well, here you can see some of the basic screenshots that you can have with Sure, etc. If you want to know more and you want to read it, I mean, we like to read, right? We're engineers. So you can go to the documentation site in which you have more explanation with the screenshots and a detailed guide of how to do every procedure and how to use all of these features. But in these video tutorials, we will try to go through it as much as possible. One important aspect that everybody asking is how much this costs, right? Okay, so Sure has three basic plans. Well, let's say they have three plans. The first one is the basic plan, which is for free, which allows you to have a maximum of 4 users in the project. And then there's another premium plan with 10 users, and the ultimate plan, which is unlimited number of users for the project. It is important to remember Sure works on project basis. That means for each project, the creator or the administrator of the project decides the plan that he wants to use. So if you are a Sure user and you're in different projects, you can have projects which are using the basic plan, that means they're free. You might have other ones that are using the premium plan, and you might have other ones that are using the ultimate plan. It is also important to notice that the plan that you are applying to your project can change. That means you can start with a basic plan when you start the project and you have very few users, or maybe just because you want just to test how Sure works. Later on, as your project grows and more engineers come in, you upgrade your basic plan to the premium plan or to the ultimate plan, depending on how many users you have. And then at the end of the project, once you already sign your last IPC or you are in the deferred liability period, well, you don't want to pay any money to have all the information stored, right? So you just go back to the basic plan, and Sure will adapt it as you go, and you don't need really to. You can decide at any moment how much you want to pay. One other thing that I would really like to point out is that you don't need to use credit cards. Sure is created for companies and is created for engineering companies. So we understand the problems that you will have to get a credit card to get your monthly charge. So Sure will basically invoice a monthly invoice to your company. It will be sent to your company for you to pay and to include it like any other providers. If you want to know more about this, please do not hesitate to contact us following the webpage, and we will be happy to clear up everything and every doubt you have. In the next videos, we will show you how to sign up and create an account, how to do the login, and how to manage all these other features that we have described. Okay, this is all for now. Thank you for being with us, and I hope I see you in the next videos. Thank you. Bye bye.